Hey everyone, in this quick video, we're breaking down what the lights on your Energizer battery charger actually mean and how to fix common charging errors. Energizer chargers use LED indicators to clearly communicate battery status. When you see a red light, it means charging is in progress. On some models, that red light may blink while charging normally. A solid green light tells you the batteries are fully charged and ready to use. Certain Pro models also include a yellow light, which indicates the batteries are about halfway charged. If your charger shows a flashing red light or a red X, that signals an error. This usually means incompatible batteries, incorrect polarity, dirty contacts, or a defective battery. Make sure you're only using NIMS rechargeable batteries, check that the positive and negative ends are inserted correctly, and clean the battery and charger contacts. Try charging batteries one at a time to identify a faulty one, and always unplug the charger if batteries become unusually hot. These simple checks resolve most Energizer charging issues quickly and safely.